The GLoW trial tested whether a new program is better than standard care at helping people with type 2 diabetes lose weight and improve their blood sugar. The new program combined personal diabetes education with 6 months of Weight Watchers. We studied 577 people with type 2 diabetes and overweight or obesity. Participants were assigned to either the new program or to a standard care diabetes education workshop and followed up for 1 year. The new program didn't improve blood sugar but did lead to greater weight loss at 1 year. Health economic modelling suggests it offers value for money for the NHS. It could even be cost-saving over a lifetime by reducing diabetes and weight-related illnesses such as heart disease.